OpenAI just released GPT Image 2, and the result is just amazing. From cinematic shots to clean UI designs, it turns ideas into production-ready visuals in seconds. And for video generation, Seedance 2.0 is the real monster. It is literally killing Hollywood. Now imagine, GPT Image joins hands with Seedance 2.0. What will happen? You can build your own cinema without spending a fortune. And in this video, I am gonna create a workflow using GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0 on AIReel and create a short film. So, let's dive in. So first, what even is AIReel? Think of it as your all-in-one AI video studio that supports a ton of AI models: GPT Image Nano Banana, Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.0, Veo 3.1, AIReel 2.3, and many more, all under one subscription. I will put the link in the description. Just grab the link and then create an account. And yes, you can also use the mobile app. Another piece of good news: if you use my link, you will get 300 free credits. Okay, once you are in, the interface is super clean. You've got image to video, text to video, AI effects, everything right there on the dashboard. However, to make any short film, we need a good story first. I already generated a script using Gemini. You can use ChatGPT or any other AI model. After the story, I create the detailed prompt for the video and our character. As Seedance 2.0 can create form reference, I will create the character and element images using GPT Image 2. I am coming to the Text to Image tab. If you are using the mobile app version, you will find all the tools and features here. Okay, now copy the first character image prompt and paste it here. You can select the image model from here. You will find image models like GPT Image 2, Nano Banana, and Quen. I am selecting the GPT Image 2 model. Now, set the aspect ratio, and then hit the Generate Now button. And here it is. The image is ready, and it's perfect. I need this exact character image for my video. Now, let's create the second character image. The process is the same. Copy and paste the prompt, set the settings, and then create the image. Now, in the same method, create all the images. And here it is. All the images are ready. Now, save all the images to your device so that we can use them as reference later. Okay, now you can create scene images with these images using the image-to-image generator and then turn them into videos using frames-to-video or image-to-video generator. However, I will use Seedance 2.0 to generate the scene, and I generated only the character and element images. So, I will use the reference to video generator. After coming to the Reference tab, select the video generator model. You will find models like Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.0 Omni, Veo 3, and more. I am selecting the Seedance 2.0 model. Now, we have to upload the reference images. In the very first prompt, we only have one character, Leo. I will upload the character and enter the first scene prompt from Gemini. Now, we have to tag the character inside the prompt. Just find the position of the character and type @ and you will find all the references. Just select the character. Once done, set the settings: duration, resolution, aspect ratio, and audio. Once everything is set, hit the Generate Now button. And here it is, the video is ready. This is amazing. Looks like real footage. Now in the same method, create the second scene, upload all the reference images, enter the prompt. After that, tag all the elements in the prompt. Once done, set the settings, and then hit Generate to generate the video. Now, in the same method, generate all the video clips. All of our video clips are ready. However, if you find Seedance 2.0 failed to generate any scene, you can change the video generator model to Kling 3.0 Omni model. The process is the same as Seedance 2.0. Just upload the reference image, enter the prompt, tag the images, and then generate the video like this. Okay, all of the video clips are ready. Now we just have to save all the video clips and stitch them with a video editor and publish. Here is my final result.
It's not stabilizing!
So, we just created this short film using GPT Image 2, Seedance 2.0, and Kling 3 Omni, and all of them are available on AIReel with so many other tools and models. That way, I'm not relying on only one model. I'm using the best tool for the shot. And honestly, that's the mindset that makes AI filmmaking much more powerful. It's not about one tool doing everything perfectly. It's about combining the right tools in the right order. So if you want my honest take, GPT Image 2 plus Seedance 2.0 is a deadly combo for AI filmmaking. So, if you also want to create your own film using GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0, click on the link on the description and create an account on AIReel. I will also put all the prompts in the description. Alright, that's a wrap on today's video. If this helped you figure out which model to use, drop a like. It genuinely helps the channel more than you know. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials. See you in the next video.